High transaction fees and long confirmation times often stand as a barrier for cryptocurrency traders. Having to pay expensive fees makes it harder to profit from P2P trading. Luckily, there's a solution. Introducing the Binance Smart Chain on vertex.market. The Binance Smart Chain adds a wrapped layer to existing currencies on Vertex. This allows you to operate trades on a fast and efficient Binance Smart Chain. Without having to wait on miners for your transaction confirmation, your transaction fees on Binance Smart Chain are many times cheaper. Decreased fees on BSC increase your profits from P2P trading by saving on transaction fee expenses, and nearly instant confirmations allow you to conduct more trades in the same amount of time. The wrapped coins on Binance Smart Chain are backed by an equal value of BTC locked in a Binance Reserve Fund. The use of the Binance Smart Chain on vertex.market will allow you to deposit and withdraw wrapped versions of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and usdt. The easiest way to convert your coins into their wrapped versions is by withdrawing it from your Binance account and choosing a Binance Smart Chain (BEP20) as a withdrawal type. This will also work from any other exchange that has integrated the Binance Smart Chain. If you want to withdraw from Vertex, the simplest way will be sending it to your BEP20 compatible wallet. We recommend using a Trust Wallet or MetaMask, or right away into your Binance account. Stop wasting your profits on miners and start trading on vertex.market. Happy trading! Vertex.market.